Welcome to Flowranker's YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to generate LLMS text file for your WordPress website by AI LLMS text file generator plugin. Yeah, so to set up everything, you will need a few minutes. You don't need any coding knowledge, and it makes your site ready for AI browsers like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, Possibility, and other AI models. Okay. So before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful for you, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. So let's go to our script.
Hello viewers, to show you the entire process, I have already set up a dummy WordPress website. So I would like to click on the live site and check on the LLMS.txt. You can see for report, that means page not found, and I have not set up LLMS text file yet. Okay, so I need to install a plugin, and then I will set up everything. So to get the free AI LLMS text file generator, we like to go to flowranker.com. They develop already a free LLMS text file generator for WordPress, and here you can see. Then go to their page, and after that see the every features are here, and just scrolling down, and then here's the free 41, that means no pricing. Okay, then you need to click on the download plugin, and also we need to add my email here, and then download now. Okay, after a few while, our download is starting, you can see, and here it is. It's downloading, that means download is completed now. Okay, so I need to go to plugin section of my site. Okay, then add new plugin. After that, upload plugin. Here the source file, and add my downloaded plugin there, and then click install now. So plugin installed successfully. After that, I need to click on active the plugin. You can see AI LLMS generator for WordPress is already installed. I need to go to setting, then I need to add my data there. Okay, so you need to add your business data here. You can see site information. So this is my test site. I would like to click on the test, and after that, already right here you can see this is a test website, and as website type, you can add your type, that means agency, corporate, anything. And this is a blog website and test purpose, so the name is test, and then test pro as I test before, so my previous data is already shown there. Okay, so click on the save setting. Okay, after that, click on the business info section and add your business. As I already tried one time before the recording the video, so my previous data is already there, and you need to add your industry there. That means as this is my technology industry, I included my technology here. Okay, so here's the technology, and my founded year you can add every year 22, that is in small business. Then add your email here. This is my email here, you can see, and your phone number and your business address. Then there's the most important part, you must need to include your sitemap here. Okay, so here's the toggle button, enable or disable, so you need to enable that. Okay, after that, click on save, then click on the AI crawler section. Okay, so here's the things, who is AI model you gonna allow or not allow. Just toggle the button, that means allow or disable, and the Cloud allow, disallow, Google AI is disallowed, that means allow, Perplexity allow, Bing allow. If you want to block Meta AI, then you need to click here disallowed. Okay, and if you want, then click on allow, then acquire and command crawl. Okay, so everything is there, but you need not to do anything here. If you have a special instruction for your business, then you can add there. Okay, after that, click on the save setting. Now click on content. Okay, so what will happen, as this is a dummy website, I have not much content here, so it only shows post, hello world, page, sample page, input, category, uncategory, so on. Okay, so if when you are going to add this plugin for your actual or real website, then you will have a lot of posts, lot of pages and categories, everything there. So you need not nothing, just click there, your post will be pop up there. You can then select or deselect here from here. Okay, so in the same cases for pages, as much as you have the pages, this pages will be pop up there, just click here and pages will be pop up here, then select it. Okay, so it's pretty simple things. And here's the auto detect content, everything is there, and after that click on save setting. Now service and social section. Okay, you can add your service, your products there. That means if you run e-commerce website, then you can add your product details here. That means product name, product URL, product description, and everything there. Okay, and the same cases for services. If you are running an agency website, that means if you provide web development service, that you need to add web development service, then the URL of the pages, then the description of the pages. That's all. Okay, the same thing for social media. You can add Twitter, that now in X, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, in every social media page or profile URL here. Okay, so as for example, if I click on my Facebook, what will happen? Just I need to click my profile image here. Okay, then just copy your URL and paste it. That's all. Okay, after that LinkedIn, after the Twitter, everything. Okay, so K feature, you can add your feature. Here's the dummy feature. You can see award winning solution. You can add your main, all of the main features here. Okay, after that click on save setting. So the plugin has a manual editing feature also. So if you need to do adding or removing any URL, any content, you can do from here. That means there is a manual editor, you can do edit everything manually. Okay, and there is an instruction. If you have a special instruction for a system, then you can add. Okay, so everything is there. After that you need to click on the save setting. So you're almost done. Okay, here are the things for preview and export. You can preview your LLMS text here, you can see, and then you can copy to clipboard. You can download LLMS text here. You can check your open lab URL here. Okay, so here you can see when we start our recording, there is nothing. That means this URL is not functioning, and after setting up the plugin, you can see our LLM.s.text is working right now. Okay, so here the everything you can do, you can check, you can do everything. Here is the view element text, result default, and everything is there. So this has a SEO plugin compatibility, so it can detect your installed SEO plugin also. Okay, so that's all. And the website has also, that means the Flowranker has also another plugin for schema markup. You can take it here, the any schema plugin here, you can check everything. That means explore your features. Then the feature section, there is a free and premium plugin. Free option limited, and types also limited, subtypes limited, and everything. So you can do custom schema by a free method also. So everything is there. Check the plugin page and check your plugin to make your site more potential, increase your visibility and potentiality for your business. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.